Today we are going to be talking about double-digit addition with regrouping. First, we have to remember what we know about the base 10 system. First, we have the ones place. Then we have the tens place. And then we have the hundreds place. Each of these are represented by the different blocks. The ones place is represented by 1 block, the tens place represented by 10 blocks, and the hundreds place represented by 100 blocks. First, we're going to practice describing a number using the base 10 system. Given the number 35, how can we break that down using the base 10 system? First, we look at the tens place, 3. So we know we have 3 tens. And then we look at the ones place. We have the number 5, so that means we have 5 ones. So 3 tens and 5 ones makes 35. Next, we'll try the number 58. Pause here and practice this one on your own. Did you get 5 tens and 8 ones? If so, you're correct. Adding double-digit numbers can be a little tricky, and oftentimes the layout has a lot to do with how much easier it can be. Instead of writing the numbers side by side, it's a lot easier to write them on top of each other to use the base 10 system as a breakdown. By stacking them on top of each other, you're able to add by the place to get your final number. So to add 26 and 13, we start with the ones. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And we know that 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 and 9 makes what? 39. And that's our answer. Now we can finally get into the lesson of double-digit addition with regrouping. To add 2 numbers, first you want to stack them on top of each other like we just talked about and practiced. Then you want to break down the number using the base 10 blocks. First we'll start with the number 25. We know that 2 is in the tens place. So we have 2 sets of tens. 5 is in the ones place. So we know that we have 5 1 blocks. Then we'll go to the number 11. 1 is in the tens place. So we know that we have 1 tens. And then 1 is also in the ones place. So we know that we have 1 block. This right here shows the number 25 and 11. And then if we combine the two, we get 3 bars of 10 and 6 single blocks of 1. If we add those together, we know we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So our answer should be 36. We can always verify this with a calculator or even by doing the addition by place, but oftentimes this works better as a visual representation for some people. Here are some practice equations you can try together or on your own. We can do 18 plus 31, 22 plus 25, 43 plus 25, and 57 plus 11. Go ahead and try these with a partner and by yourself, and go to your teacher to check your answers or even turn to a partner and compare your answers.